Hello again, my name is June, and today I'll be going over the Scorpius 35 Pro large print keyboard, which is also a mechanical keyboard. It comes in a package like this. This keyboard is perfect for people who are visually impaired, also with industrial usage such as controlling machinery or personal usage basically because of the yellow large print keyboard. And the package comes like this, wrapped in plastic. Comes with the user guide. And first thing you notice, of course, is the large print keyboard. And when you compare it to a standard keyboard, you can instantly tell the big difference. These keys are about 10 times larger than the standard ones, so it's much easier to see. It's ideal for people who have visual impairments such as glaucoma, cataract, old age, diabetic, retinopathy, and such. It comes with a trackball with 3 mouse buttons, a left click, the right click, and the scroll button. It's very ergonomical thanks to that. It eliminates having 2 devices into one. It also comes with the tilt legs, so better typing adjustments. It features 104 mechanical keys using the Cherry MX mechanical blue color key switches, such as this. This allows you to hear and feel the clicks that many people enjoy and look for. And this also features an N key rollover technology, which means you can type up to 6 keys at the same time. So it's ideal and perfect for people who type very fast at their jobs, or leisure or gamers who need to button mash, pretty much. It's very easy to use as it's a plug-and-play application. You just plug it into your USB port, and your computer should instantly read. As you can see, using the trackball, you can browse internet. You can type, and you can hear these mechanical keys working. It feels really good too. And again, you can type up to 6 keys at the same time, and your computer should read. This is a very high quality keyboard. It's very heavy and sturdy. It's about 4 pounds. It's very solidly built, and also these keys are UV coated, so over the course of its lifespan, it will not wear that many standard keyboards will. It's very user-friendly, very ergonomical. It's very high quality, and this particular one retails for $129.95, which is a bargain because similar keyboards such as this retails for way above that, about $150 and up. But this one for $129.95, you get a trackball, which is 51 millimeters, 3 mouse buttons, a large print keyboard for visually impaired people, and the mechanical key switches. And that is the Scorpius 35 Pro with a large print, and thank you for the demonstration.